Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect QuickBooks to an accountant for collaborative cleanup, full guide step by step clearly. Open QuickBooks on your computer. Log in to your QuickBooks account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the settings icon in the upper right corner. Click on the settings icon to reveal the drop-down menu. In the menu, select Manage Users to open the User Management section. On the Manage Users page, look for the Invite button. Click on the Invite button to start adding your accountant. Enter your accountant's email address in the provided field. Select the appropriate user type for your accountant. Typically, this should be accountant to allow necessary access. After selecting the user type, click Send Invitation. Your accountant will receive an email invitation to collaborate. Inform your accountant to check their email and accept the invitation. Once your accountant accepts the invitation, they will gain access to your QuickBooks account. Next, confirm that your accountant is listed under Manage Users. Return to the Manage Users section to verify their status. Once confirmed, you're ready to collaborate on cleanup tasks. Communicate with your accountant about specific issues to address. Ensure both of you have a clear understanding of your goals. Schedule regular check-ins to review progress and resolve any questions. Utilize QuickBooks messaging feature for seamless communication. Monitor your data to ensure accuracy during the cleanup process. After completing the cleanup, review the changes together. Finally, ensure your accountant has the necessary permissions for future access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.